Introducing ACE-NESOL Plus GF-36711, the future of high-performance lubrication. This synthetic lubricant is engineered for precision in metalworking processes like sawing, milling, and drilling. Experience a significant increase in tool life and a cleaner workspace with our advanced formulation. Low mist and evaporation means virtually no residue left behind. Eco-friendly and rapidly biodegradable, free from harmful substances like chlorine and mineral oil. ACE-NESOL Plus GF-36711. Precision Performance Purity. Discover the difference at viewacesol.com.